Hello everybody, I hope this stream works because it's my first time doing a stream and it's my first time working on Picotron live. It won't be easy, I'm sure it won't be easy, but let's try this. So I'm working on this stuff, Picophone 2, right? If you remember my old widget, someone of you maybe remembers that, where I just had some small cards inside a widget, okay? And in the past versions of Picotron, it's a bit messy to say Picotron sometimes, and sometimes I have to say Picophone. That's crazy. I get messed, you know. And by the way, I was doing this second version because I had a lot of ideas. I've been having all these ideas for all these past months, and I just wanted to finish them in this month. Why? Because I need to drop this update by the 20th of April. Why this date? Because it's the Picophone birthday. So, what am I doing here? I'm just making a better version of the first Picophone, and the first thing you can see is that the design is way more retro, I'd say. It's inspired by the BlackBerry iPac, if I remember. Yeah, that was his name, and the design was this one, just with a monochrome display. You know, you had to do everything. Really, really old school stuff. So, what am I doing here? As you can see, I have two buttons up here, which are for minimizing the app. If I click here, I get an icon which is exactly like this one. I also have this icon, which makes my widget a desktop pad. Alright? And if I click it from the from its belly, I can get him. I can do anything with him, but I can drag him from his head. And as you can see, he gets kind of mad because, you know, cats don't like to be dragged like this. But it's the only way you can make him move, like real cats, right? And we also have some other buttons, which are these ones below. Now, these don't work right. I mean, last time I checked, this didn't work, and I couldn't understand why, but like, this worked. This is the desktop, right? Then we have the code editor, which now works. The sprite editor works, everything works, but last time, I don't know how, I managed to mess the order and it didn't work. Okay, then what do we have? We have this button, which is for closing the widget, but like a real phone, doing it one time will just make the screen go black, right? While keeping it pressed makes it close. Alright, so what do we have here? We have a lot to do. We have a real lot to do. And I even had, I have to put it out, something I wanted to do, like, yeah, as you can see, we have the Picophone 1 card inside our card, which is fun. You're gonna see why, but I don't think I'm gonna keep this here. No, I want to create a file. And roadmap. Yeah, I know I have a lot of stuff up here, but I just use it. Let me close some stuff. Maybe I need that. I don't need this. Everything else I should need them. Okay, so what do we need to do now? For the first release, we have to do some stuff. Like the plugin, no, I'll call it widget. The widget engine this is what we're gonna have, because Picophone makes no sense if we don't have a widget engine in it, something to make it real easy to do widgets. Like, I want to simplify everything here. I want to simplify this stuff. Okay, so you just have to call one function, one easy function, assign it to a button or to any clickable thing, and have them work exactly like mine do. Now, why don't they work now? Because if you have it loaded in RAM, it doesn't understand really how it should work. Or I think my version of Picotron is now a bit bugged. I have to tell Zep about this bug I found. But if you open it like I did by double clicking the file, you can then do this stuff, right? I want to make it easy for every plugin made in Picophone to have these features. The desktop pad feature too. I want to make it easy for everyone. You just have to give it some sprites and the program will do the job automatically. You just have to focus on the content of the widget. That's my purpose with this new version. But I want to do way more than that now. Yeah, so the widget engine has to be on the first release, and okay, so we have app launcher, with ability to have 64 and P60. Oops. Yeah, I know it doesn't make sense to open this thing here, right? We can just go in the desktop to do this. It's way nicer too. So we have to go in RAM. Why is my Picophone going so slow? I don't know. Oh, come on. I'm just checking if on my phone the stream is going fine or no. Yeah, look how no, so messed up. I'm not like this in real life, I promise. Maybe. So card, you gotta go here, roadmap. Here it is. Alright, so app launcher with ability to have P64, okay, and P62s. So the thing I had in mind is that a P64 runs the card separately. Okay. A P62. Oh, why did I call it P62? It's actually P12. So a P12 runs it inside Picophone. Okay. So then later releases, because some stuff I want to do in later releases, like I want to have multiple OSs in Picophone, so you can use it to show whatever you want inside it, a game or anything. I want to have more app launchers, but I don't know if I'm gonna do this in the first version or not, or later ones. Okay, so I want this stuff in the first release, then okay, let's talk about the apps we're gonna have in here, which are the widget engine, Calcaway, because we love it, Miditron, maybe a new version of the control panel, and other stuff I want to add later, but wait a sec. Mini OKPal tool. Yo, but not in the first release, you know? Not in the first release. No. Okay, let's focus on the first release. Then, right, I wanted to have Picogo, my card that simulates like a browser experience, but not really. And I wanted to make it way more advanced, and I wanted it to serve the BBS cards folder, right? Let's open Picogo just so you can see it. I actually think I have it like this. Picogo here. Yeah, here it is. So I wanted to put this thing inside Picophone, which won't be hard because yeah, it acts like this, so it's fine. And I wanted this to do stuff like load the BBS cards by doing simply something like this. Okay. Maybe directly run them without loading, or search for them, because we have some folders in the BBS, but the only problem is that right now it's a bit slow. As you can see, when I click 0, it takes some time to load them, but we're gonna see how we're gonna implement this. Let's go step by step. Now, the first step is working on the app launcher. No, I wanted to do something fun first, which is work on the little desktop pet, Taco, and I wanted him to do something fun, like when I touch his belly, as you can see, if I touch it 2 times, it's gonna open the widget, but if I touch it 1 time, nothing happens, because I want to animate some little hearts when I touch his belly, right? And as you can see, you can't drag him by the belly, but only by the head, and he gets mad. He's so mad. He doesn't like that. Okay. So where do I have that? I should have that. No. Is this? No, this is Picophone. Okay, load. I should have it. Oh, it's here. Pet.lua. Okay, so here it is. So when we click him, I wanted to do it easy as hell. Like, I wanted to use this one. What is the heart? Oh, here it is. Okay. So I'm gonna use my print function, which just prints it in the same way as the normal print, but here it is. It does some stuff like the sides. What is the sides? I just use different fonts and call them sides. Sides 1 uses the Pico 8 font. Sides 2 does nothing, so shows the Picotron font. Size 3 so shows the Pico 8 font but bigger, and size 4 shows the Picotron font but bigger. So. I'm just gonna check if this live stream works for a second. So. Okay, looks like it's working. Wow, I didn't expect that. So here we're gonna print widget and why the hell? Oh, it's 135. All right, 135. Okay, we want it 10. I don't know if I can do it in the print, actually. I don't remember. It's been some time that I haven't used Picotron, I mean. But let's see. Wait. What if I do here? Identify. That should work, obviously. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that works. I'm pretty sure I can't print inside here. So we're gonna do that in the draw. Pico pager. Yeah. Hello Squibble, what's up? Yeah, so I don't know if you've been following for a bit, but I'm just working on the, oh shit, wait a second, yeah, I just made a new function that doesn't exist. So I'm working on the little pet. When I double click it, it opens the widget, right? But when I click on it, he doesn't do anything. That's why I wanted to show some hearts animations, and I'm trying to see where to do that. Okay, so here I just have my pet inside a GUI element because I find it easy like this. And in the click function, the click method, I wanted to, okay, I have an idea. We can give our pet a new value called something like loved, okay? Something like this. Loved equal false because you're not touching him. So when we click it, we want loved to become true. Okay. So we have the update here, okay. Animate hearts maybe. In animate hearts, we have to see if self.loved, then we need to print our hearts. Our heart, but it's not animating right now. I just want to see if this works. What's up with global self? Yeah, sure. Yeah, here's our art. Okay. So I wanna make it start from. I wanna make it start from. Okay. Alright, that's better. Okay, so they're gonna start from here, and we want these hearts. We want them first. We want the left one to appear first, and we want it to go up and then disappear. And the same thing for the second one, but before it starts before the first one disappears. All right, and this should happen every time I just touch the cat. So how are we gonna do this? I think it's better if we do this in the update, but I'm not sure. Wait, we can do Now let's just do it like this. Draw hearts here and animate hearts, update hearts here, just for simplicity. Hearts. Wait, so 12, 24. I think it works like this. Just experimenting right now. I could just do it with the sprites, you know, but I'm dumb. I like to do stuff like this. So 25 and 24. Alright, so here we have our two hearts. Heart 1 and heart 2. Alright. So here I do heart 1.x, heart 1.y, okay, send on update. We want this stuff. If self dot love, then if heart 1.y, which is 24, and we want it to go up. If it is something like 12, maybe, if it's smaller than 12, then print this one too. So we expect it to only show one heart. What did I do? Global draw hearts. What's the problem? Oh yes, self. Oh, I have other ones here. Self. Oh sure, global draw hearts at 46. What's the problem, man? Oh, cause I changed the name, man. Wow. Yeah, only one heart appears. Now we want to update this heart. So if self.loved, then self dot, no, not self.y, self.heart 1.y minus equal to 1, or maybe, yeah, 1. Let's do 0.5. Yeah, I have a typo, man. That's the only problem I have with Picotron, you know, stuff like this. But it's old school, so we like it. Yeah! Okay, we just have to stop it because it's going up for infinity and it's not good. So then we do if self this stuff is equal to 0, then self.loved equal to false. But not 0. I want to do it something like 24 because I want to give the second heart the time to animate and go up. No, wait. So you saw the turf? No, not 24. What am I saying? Minus 12. Yeah, that's what I meant. What did I do wrong this time? Ah, equal. Oh my god, man. Yeah. Okay. Then I could just update the second heart here, just because I don't want to make it more complex than this. Right? I can just do it here. Self heart 1 dot y, no, heart 2 dot y minus equal 1. Oops. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'm improvising. Ooh, that works. Fantastic. Oh man, yeah. So self.loved equal false, and I have to do this stuff again. So if we just touch the cat, we see some nice hearts, right? If we double click, we open our widget. Yeah, fantastic. You can actually see a little heart every time you open the widget. That's nice. Even if you touch him on the head. At first he likes it, then he goes mad. Bro, what are you doing, man? Ooh, time to save, man. Good stuff, okay. That was easy, man. That was easy. It wasn't in our roadmap, but that's how we like to waste time and procrastinate, you know, on the important stuff. So, yeah, I closed the roadmap. Let's open it again. No, I did. Oh my god, I didn't save all the stuff I wrote before. Man, I have it on my computer notes, don't worry. Okay, so, one thing I didn't talk to you about was this stuff. I just added the same button that's here. No, not here. In settings. Yeah. So network, right? But the same doesn't happen. You know, I'm not Zap. What do you expect from me, man? But that's definitely possible. I just don't want to add stuff in the update right now. So we have to work on the app launcher. The app launcher, I should have it here in startup, I think. Yeah. So here is just how at the moment I'm working in on the grid, and I want to show you what my inspiration was. Hopefully I can find it online. Yeah, here was my inspiration, you know. Basically very, very similar. It's the same thing, you know. That was my inspiration. So let's go back here and work on this launcher. Now my idea was to store the Picophone apps inside the cart itself. Inside the operating system folder, we have an app launcher folder that can have different folders. Okay, in every folder is every launcher you have. As you can see, if I click on this, I have 3 P12 files, which I'll tell you a secret, is just a folder. And so I wanted people to just drop a P64 from the desktop inside the Picophone, and then it gets loaded inside the app launcher. All right, and how does it get loaded? It just goes straight into this path, okay, into this folder. It goes straight here, and then what the launcher does is just get the list of files inside this folder, which is inside itself. So that's not really easy, but I don't think that's hard. So something we could do here is, first of all, get the number of total apps, which we can get here inside the init. I think it's best. So let's do something like p12 dot, or make it local. And for now, I just wanna make a single app launcher. We're gonna make different app launcher later. So, if I'm not wrong, I should be able to do this. And this should give me a table, but I'm not really sure. Okay, let's just see here in our launcher. and I wanna toString it just because I'm not sure. Okay, so it's nil. Why is this nil, man? I don't remember. How I wanna what does this do? Wait a second, man. Oh yeah, actually I'm not in PWD in the terminal, so does anyone know who's watching, man? Does anyone know how did the ls work, man? Okay, let's see. I should have it maybe in docs, man. Did History put this in docs? Why isn't docs opening? What's... Man. Oh, hi, Squibble. Do you remember... I don't know how stuff works. Okay. So, what I'm trying to understand is this list. You know, this should list me. What if I just print the PWD? Because I might remember stuff wrong. RAM card. Yeah. So if I concatenate it with this. Oh, wait a second. Oh man, I understand now. No, I don't understand really, because this is a folder, so it should list me stuff there. Like, what if I do ls, right? ls RAM. Oh. OS is big. Or do I have to do it like this? Maybe, you know? Maybe that's just my problem. So no, I don't think that's my problem, because PWD was giving RAM card. Oh yeah, that's my problem. That should be my problem. Okay. So now if I do launcher apps dot one, it should give me cpanel.p12. Perfect. Yeah, we got it. Okay, we got our table. That was just the problem, man. That's crazy. So now that we got our table, we want here where we have our total apps. As I said here, we have to get this number from the list of cards. So in the draw app launcher, I have it here. I want to pass it the launcher apps also. Okay. Then here we just do launcher apps How was it? Was it count? I don't remember actually. Was it how did you count the tables, man? Was it length? Man. Oh, you just have to test it, man. That's how it is when you don't touch Lua in months. So, where were we? Here. Okay. But count, I don't remember. Nope. To compare a number with a new start up. What? Oh. The fuck? Where, man? 54. Oh, because I commented it. Sure, man. Okay, so or was it length? Count doesn't exist, so it's length. Man, how was it? I don't remember. Pico 8 count table, man. Come on, man. I don't remember how you count tables. Count exists. What did I do wrong, man? Oh, count table and value. Oh, man. That's how it is. So never see this again, man. So here we gotta do count. How was it? Table plus, oh wait, count, and I just pass it the table, I think. Oh man, you're right, bro. That's it, that's what I'm looking for. You're right. I forgot about this. Wow. Thank you, Squibble. So nice of you. Yeah, here we go. Now we only have 3 icons because I only have 3 things here. Perfect. Thank you, Squibble. Hi, Taco. So. Alright, perfect. Thank you, Squibble, again. Wow. I was doing weird stuff with functions, you know. So we only have 3 of them. Now we want to display not these default icons, but we want to display the icon itself. Okay, and I'd like to get this icon, and I'd like to change its colors inside the Picophone. Then I'd like to use, instead of the 4 simplified colors, I want to use my colors, the colors of the Picophone, I mean, its theme. And yeah, in next versions I will also add other themes, like one with the old school black and green theme, you know, the monochrome display, the real monochrome display, not this one. And yeah, then edit the colors based on the theme of Picophone. So now we have to make a table, right? So we already have a table. It's launcher apps. Yeah, launcher apps is just a list of strings that get the name of the file. So what I want to do, because there's a place inside Picotron where this stuff is done, which is in apps file nav. I already seen this some time ago, so I think I'm gonna find the place where icon, yeah, here we go, icon.lua. So we have this simple file that, what does it do? It does get file icon. Perfect. We also have file name here, but file name gets passed. How does file name get passed? Oh. Yeah, file name is just a oh yeah, we already have the file name, you know. We have our pwd, we have this string. Okay, so let's do something like launcher path. So the icon path will just be the launcher path plus the icon itself, plus the name of the file itself. So I could just copy this for the moment and use this function, then edit it however I want. Here I don't care about all this stuff, I just want P64s and P62s at the moment. So let's go in our cart, and I wanted to create a Lexalof folder where I'm gonna put things that I took from Picotron, because I don't think this is something we can use freely. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Let's call it icon.lua. Here I want to paste in this stuff. Alright, so then here we just include it. Alright, now I should be able to use this. I should be able to use this. What is MD? MD. Look for metadata. Okay. Oh, alright. We also have the metadata. So now, instead of displaying 88. I want to just see if it works. Let's just do local icon equals to get file icon. Of current app +1. No? No. We can do current app here. Okay. Now, I think this should work. Oh, what? Perfect. That's perfect, man. So what does this return? This returns a sprite. Oh, so no, because folder sprite, if a folder. Oh, I think it's this. I think it's this, man. Because it's or does it want the metadata? Because it's looking for the metadata. The icon is stored inside the metadata. So it doesn't just want the file name. Local kind, sites, origin. It's looking for the extension. But here it's giving some default sprites, you know, and we want this md.icon, so we have to pass it the metadata. And how do we do that? I don't know. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's find out. Maybe Zep has said something about it. Where are the files? Oh, so they're even more secret now. No, this is the GFX pipeline, not the audio. Oh man. So let's find out. Let's find out. Let's find out. File nav. Where was this? Yo, no. Get an icon for a file by type. And I want to get its metadata. So it's not there. Maybe we have something in lib. API, app menu. Is it maybe? I don't think it's here, but let's see. No, nothing for metadata. Maybe in file info. It's not, yeah. F.metadata. Where is that? F.meta. Oh, it's here. Fetch meta. Man! Fetch metadata. Okay. Okay, so here we call it like this. I want to just make it easier to read. So now this should work. Man, it didn't. Okay. Oh, because file name, it's not file name. Man, I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. This has to be current app. And I'm pretty sure about another thing now that I think about it. I'm pretty sure that I have to get. That's not good. That's not good because this just gives the names of the. Yeah. So we have to do. So here we gotta do launcher path and concatenate it. Yeah. Launcher path and concatenate it with the name of the app. Now this should work. Local path, so that's easier. But I mean, here it just wants the file name, not the path. So I'm not actually sure about this. What is this F? File names. Okay. Oh wait, local f info. I think f info works. And then, okay, let's do this. Wait, how is it? Where is this finfo declared? Because if no, I didn't think I can use this. I don't think I can use file info. So but how does actually get SPR work? Is it here? No, here we have table stuff. All for each sub. Yeah. Well, no, file info is not stuff we care about. But get file icon, he wants the file name and then he wants the metadata. Does he print some? No, he just returns the file icon. So for the metadata, we have to do fetch metadata of our file name. We haven't tried this yet, so let's try this. Maybe here, if he just wants the file name, let's pass him the file name. And fetch metadata, what does it want? Oh, it wants the file name. Let's try this. And as your launcher path. Oh, launcher path is nil. And do something like this. Local launcher. We up launch. Up. This up launcher needs to be called somewhat. Okay. let's call this, no, it's okay, who cares? Who cares? So let's make it work first. Now, yeah, sure, unexpected symbol, where file. I mean, the point is unexpected symbol? Oh, because I said local, it's my bad. Yeah, I didn't have to do this. Okay, then I have to do something else here. I have to call launcher. Okay. Then here we pass launcher, and here we do launcher apps. Current app, total app, launcher.path, concatenated is with launcher.apps. No. Oh, why did it? This is the Picophone one icon, and why is it here? I don't understand. This is funny. This is really funny. But what if I pass him the path instead of the file name? It's never gonna work. Nope. Didn't work. It's because file name wants f.meta, which is and file name. File name equal to file name. And the file name is just a string. Files. Okay. Where is files? Equals list of pedo. Man. Files equals to list. So he did basically the same thing that I did. Files equals to the list. Then, you know, we go through the list. Local file name equals files e, and I did the same thing. No, I didn't. Oh yeah, launcher app.current app. Because I have 4 cycles. Okay, let's do it like this for a second. Equals to launcher.apps. because it passes the file name here, so f.meta. This is strange, man. Because I've done this before. So I'm sure I know how, just I don't remember. I remember using this get file icon function, but I don't remember how exactly. I may go for a simpler solution, I'm thinking, but what if I do it like this? Just fetch the metadata. Oh. It's gonna crash everything up. Let's see. But I said fetch it, even if it doesn't exist. But yeah. I remember doing it. Yo, what's up, Cordelius? Everything good? Yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm actually working on the app launcher inside Picophone, and I wanna make it act like the file nav in Picotron, you know? So the only problem I have right now is that at the moment I can't get the file icon to display here. My idea was that if you hey, thank you, Cordelius. My idea was that if you drag and drop something inside the Picophone, it will get loaded in the launcher. So you will be able to move the Picophone anywhere you want and launch the app from anywhere you want. So every app becomes a widget with the Picophone. And I even wanted to make a widget maker so you can make your own standalone widget. Maybe it's better to call it widget engine just because I like more how it sounds. But I'm having problems right now because I can't get to fetch the icon of a file. I can display its name, I think. I'm pretty sure I can. Like here, if I had print yeah, the file name works perfectly, but we don't want that. We want we already tested that this works, but we want to make this thing work. Get file icon. Yes, it's fetch metadata. I know, but I have it here, right? Oh, it's with... What do you mean? Wait. With the square brackets or... icon. I don't understand, Scribble. Hmm. The thing you fetch is a table. Icon is where the oh. Yes, I fetched a table. Oh, okay, maybe I got what you're saying. So, you mean this is a table, icon is a table. Because as you can see, I have it here. Maybe I'll do it a bit easier to understand. Like here, just a file name. Oh. Get file icon is something I took from the system. I took it from here. File lab.pic64. It's here. Get file icon. And this is how it works. It wants, it wants some metadata and a file name. But I think it's enough for today, guys. I've been here for some time, considering it's my first live. It's been a bit, but we did some good stuff. We did some good stuff. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, we did some good stuff. See you guys in the next live stream. Hopefully I can do that soon. And see ya. I will update you when this launcher is something more professional, because right now it's bad. We can't even get the file icons, because this launcher is going to act exactly like the drive.log. You know, the wallpaper is meant to be this way. I know it looks strange, but it's meant to be this way. It's just the Pico 8 boot screen, but a bit cursed, and with the Picotron palette. So it looks like this, and I think it looks nice. Well, that's enough. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Scribble, for helping me. Thank you, Cordelius, and see you the next live stream, boys.